silver. Now we are based on 1 hour chart. Alright, same as usual, we refer back to our last video when the price was here, and here we see we are expecting for buy. We can trade the flag, and in my last video on Monday I mentioned that we having the divergence, and if the price is break the top and we have the divergence, then we get the reversal. This is what we get. We didn't get the fully reversal, but we get the reversal. That's why I was highlighting that we have to move the stop loss to break even for both of them. Alright, now we wanna see how we can trade. Okay, now the question is whether the price still can continue go higher or can reverse. Alright, we have a few options. The first option is that in any case, I mean in any option, we wanna see how this can be continue and complex, how deep this one can go, whether it can move in a slow correction similar or can sharp. Okay, anyway, the first option, what we are expecting the price from here can come lower, then from there the price can go, then that means we can go high, that means we can look for buy. In that case, the first is take profit, and if it's continue, the second is take profit. Alright, now the question is where to buy. Shall we buy here? No, because if we look at this, we have one move down correction, alright, running flat, and this is the move down. That's mean if the price from here drop, then from there if we get any buy setup, we can look for buy. That means first we need the price to drop to this low, then if we want to look for buy, we need to get any setup similar to what we have here, then we can look for buy. But if the price drop, then we see the small correction and moving down, then also we need to see where we can get the sharp move up. Whether the price if break this low, we can look for, I mean the price can reverse or it can continue and correct more. It depends. Anyway, if we want to buy, we should get after the price at least break this low, we need to get this type of the buy setup. That means sharp move up, a small flag. Okay, because in that case, what it does mean if the price drop to this low, what we are expecting two way, whether this is a one move, this is a correction, we can look for flat for one move up, or it depends how we read the flat, or we have 1 2 3, this is one move, this is the only correction, and this is 1 2 3 what we get. It depends how the traders they want to read this correction and the trades. Anyway, in both of them they can look for buy. Alright, the second is that the second option is that we wanna look for down. That means the sell. That means we read 1 2 3. That means A B C, because if we refer back to this one, we have the divergence, and since we have a divergence, we can call it this is the A, this is the B, this is the C. That means the price from here can reverse. How about if we wanna look for sell? As I say, if the price here is slowly correct and move down, we cannot get any sell. If we look for sell, any sell will be break even. That means we shouldn't look for sell unless the price sharply move, give a flag, then we can look for sell. Alright, that means now we don't have any trade setup. We can look in two different way. Depends on the chart we have it, and it's really not clear. Okay, we just follow the market, any of them we get, we can trade it. But what we are looking mostly into it, what we are mostly interested if we get the trade. For me, if the price come here, then if go move up, whether break go to this high or this level, then from there if I get the sell setup, I'm really interested, because that trade can give me any profit, I mean can give me a good trade in terms of the risk and reward. Then buy from here or selling from here, also it can give us a trade, but it's really not the best, okay, in terms of the risk and reward. What I'm really looking into it, if the price come to this level, go break this top, then from there I look for sell. This is the best trade if we get, I mean say if we get, we are not sure whether we get or not. If we get, in terms of the risk and reward, can give us a better trade. But whatever the trade we have in here whether buy or sell is just a small trade with the made the risk and reward is not good. Anyway, we just follow the market. If when we see how this correction can be complex, then from there we see how we can get the trade whether buy or sell. I will share on YouTube. Thanks for watching.